Alright, here is a quick demo of the AV controller and the music box. So if you load the AV controller page, you see this interface and you can start the music box by clicking on this button, and in the AV controller tab you will see all these faders. The music box is my first project where I combine visual aspects and audible aspects. So if I click on the volume icon here, you can hear that whenever the ball collides with the wall, it plays a certain sound. So the big ball, boom, 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 is the kick drum in this case, and the medium-sized ball is the snare, while the small ball in this case is the hi-hat or shaker, maybe. Right, so you can change the rhythm of the balls. In this case we got dum, ba-dum, dum, dum for the kick. You can also add natural sounds that I recorded in the English Garden in Munich or in the Schlosspark Charlottenburg. You can change the bass pattern, and you can change the snare pattern. Now we get this Latino style, dum, da, dum, 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 da, dum, dum. And yeah, you can change the volumes of various things, and you can switch to a different chord pattern, chord progression that will take effect in at the next start of the period. Then you can also add some visual effects. You can change the ball size. These parameters affect the background, and you can the zoom out parameter or the camera roll, which gives you a bit more like a rotation that matches also the sound. You can add more balls, and these balls also play sounds, bell-like sounds, whenever they hit the walls. It takes time until the start of the next period, until you can hear them. So there you go.
Niemand, der je dort hinaufgelangt ist, kann sagen, wie das letzte Stück Weges zurücklegt.
So, duk, 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 and so on. So yeah, you can play around with this simply by going to this AV controller website and then choosing Music Box. I have also another artwork there that you can control with the AV controller. This is called aortic rupture or SCF-ANS. And here you can control the white things. It's a particle system. You can, for example, go down with the screw and the speed and the gravity, and then you get small circles. I would expect you to get small circles. Maybe the sensitivity is too large, or I first need to decrease the sensitivity. Now, something like this. So, and in the background, this shape that results from how the particle system looks like. You can see the holes in this cutout area. They match exactly the white stuff here. So if we increase the speed and maybe the gravity a bit, sensitivity, but less skew, we get more coarse structure. And then now you can see the background. It also has like bigger holes, and you can see it resembles the structure. You can hit some buttons to get different colors and change the camera speed and how much the shape in the background is twisted. And this is meant to be played along music, and you can connect a MIDI controller and then click on map to map keys of the MIDI controller or pads of the MIDI controller to these effects. And then using the MIDI controller, or maybe also if you have a touch screen, you can use touch. You can play and so on. So yeah, this is the kind of art that I make, and the thing on the left side, or like this controller application, is open source. People can easily integrate that into their own projects, and it's very simple to define the faders and controls that you want to use for your web artwork, whatever it is. And yeah, I think that's it. It's all written in TypeScript, and for the visuals I use WebGL, and for the sound I use Web Audio. So for the sound I define a kick, for example, by starting with a high frequency sine curve, going down to a very low frequency, and at the same time setting the envelope to quick decay.